Hello friends. Next we will discuss about pointer arithmetic. Means changing the value of a pointer to make it point to different element in memory. Okay, we can check with one example. Suppose we have one integer array numbers that will contain 5 elements: 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. And we have one pointer variable in star p that will contain the first element, right? So we can give numbers. Otherwise, we can give like that numbers of 0. Okay. Now we want to just print the data. Print of value percentage d. We can tell star p, right? Put one in line also. Then we will run. We will get value equal to 5. So we are accessing the array element using point. In this case, we can use just numbers also, right? We can use array name also. Okay, so this will point to the first element of this array. We will run this, we will get same result, right? Now we need to get the next element. So what we can do, we can tell p is equal to p plus 1, right? So p is equal to p plus 1 means it will jump to the next element, right? So now we will run this. We are getting 10 now, right? So we need to move to 1, 2, 3. We need to display 20. We can tell p is equal to p plus 3. Then we will run, we get 20. We need to get the last element. We can tell p is equal to p plus 4. We will run, then we will get 25. But here we are telling above this limit. We are telling just 8 something. Then we will run, we will get some garbage value. Okay. So like this, p is equal to p plus 1 we can increment. Otherwise, we can use increment operator. P plus plus we can type. So p contains numbers of 0, right? Then we are telling p plus plus, then it will move to the next element. We will run this. See, we are getting value 10. Again, we need to increment it. We can tell p plus plus. Then we'll run, we'll get 15. So this way we can use the increment operator. So now we are getting 15, right? So just we are telling like p equal to p plus 3, right? We'll run this, then we will get 20, right? This element we are getting 20 now. Now p point to this 20 only, right? Now we want to get this 10. So we need to move backward. Okay. So how we can do that? Then we can tell p equal to p minus 2. We need to move backward. So suppose here we are telling p is equal to p minus 2. Again, we can just print that value. Okay. Now we will run the first time. P will get 5, right? Numbers of 0. Then it will increment 3. 1, 2, 3. Then it will print 20, right? So that's why we are getting 20. Again, what we are telling, P is equal to P minus 2. So current position is this only, right? So it will decrement to position. So now we are getting 10. So this way we can use increment and decrement operators. Now next is pointer subtraction. We can subtract two pointers that point to element in the same array to find out how many elements are between them. So in this case, we can remove this. So in star p, that point to numbers of 0. So we need to declare another pointer in star q, that is address of numbers of 3. That means it will point to 20, right? We can just print that values. Percentage d star q also. Now we will run this. We are getting 5 and 20. Now, so we can subtract two pointers that point to element in the same array to find out how many elements are between them. Okay, so in this case, we can use printf. We can just tell percentage b. We can tell like p minus q. Okay, then we will run this. See, we are getting minus 3 because that is this difference, right? P is in 0th position. This is in 3rd position. So that difference. So we will get the difference between them. Okay. We are using Q minus P. That also we will get positive result. See, we are getting 3. Suppose here we are just using Q minus minus. So the 3rd position move to here, right? Now we will get 2 only. See, these are the difference. 2 only. Okay. So in pointer case, the subtraction is possible, but we cannot to add because this will return always integer values only. 2 pointers we will subtract. That will get the how many elements between them. Okay, so it always return an integer value only. Okay, but addition is not possible in pointers because that will contains memory addresses only, right? See, we will get error. So addition is not possible. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching.